Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to attempt to make an eye punch. So what we have here is a piece of 1/4 inch square stock that was just cut off of this bar. And all I did was I flattened the top with a regular metal file. So now we're going to put a center punch right in the middle. I'm not sure if that's going to show up, but now we're going to want to make that a little deeper. What I have here is my little rotary tool. It's like a Dremel with a diamond round bit in the end. Okay, now that we got that, we're going to proceed to file this down to make a eye shape. Hopefully that's showing up. Let me grab a little piece of lead and we can test it. Alright, we have ourselves a lead ingot here. Let's hit that. Hopefully that shows up, but that sure as heck looks like an eye. Let's give it a little harder shot. There you go. One eye punch. So I'm going to refine it, make it a little bit smaller, and then you're going to see this come out on our next project. Well, there you go. That's how I do stuff. One eye punch. Thanks for watching, everyone.